Today I was excited. I was just overall ecstatic about my outdoor PR this year. I didn't quite do a PR overall. Of course, I jumped 188 indoors, but I just cleared 187, and so I haven't felt this good since my indoor PR, and I'm just proud of myself. I tried to jump 190. It was just a little bit too high for me, but I'm happy where I placed today. The competition was different. We were all really surprised about how well we were all jumping. There was a few jumpers that came out of nowhere that weren't in indoor, where we didn't jump as high, and we were surprised because we were kind of basing outdoor on indoor season, and indoor 6 feet placed second, and here 6 feet placed sixth. So it was a big change, a lot of improvement. I think that's helped me improve this year and be more consistent, I would say, is the coaching staff. Coaching staff really helped me. It was a big change. We were doing a lot of different practices and drills that I had never done before, and it just made me overall stronger and more confident when I competed.